হাই, আমি প্রশান্ত খাটুয়া, ম্যাথস টিচার, কলকাতা সায়েন্স একাডেমি। আজ আমি তোমাদের WB 2020 সেটের ম্যাথমেটিক্স কোশ্চেন পেপারে ওডি, পিডি এবং নিউমেরিক্যাল অ্যানালাইসিসে যে সমস্ত কোশ্চেনগুলো এসেছে তা আজকে আমরা সলভ করব। আমরা প্রথম কোশ্চেনটা দেখে নিই। 46 এই কোশ্চেনের অর্ডিনারি ডিফারেনশিয়াল ইকুয়েশন রেগুলার না ইরেগুলার সিঙ্গুলার পয়েন্ট এই সম্পর্কিত একটি প্রশ্ন, এবং এই প্রশ্নটা আজকে আমরা সলিউশন করব। কোশ্চেনটাকে পড়ে নিই। ফর দ্য ডিফারেনশিয়াল ইকুয়েশন x ইন্টু এক্স মাইনাস ওয়ান d2y dx2 প্লাস cot pi x dy dx plus cosec square pi xy equal to 0, which of the following statement is true? A. Both 0 and 1 are irregular singular points. Option B. 0 is an regular and 1 is a regular singular points. C. Both 0 and 1 are regular singular points. D. 0 is a regular and 1 is an irregular singular points. তো প্রথম আমরা সিঙ্গুলার পয়েন্ট বলতে কি বুঝি এটা নিশ্চয়ই তোমরা সবাই জানো। সেকেন্ড অর্ডার লিনিয়ার ডিফারেনশিয়াল ইকুয়েশন স্ট্যান্ডার্ড ফর্ম dy dx2 plus px dy dx plus qx y equal to 0, x equal to x naught যদি সিঙ্গুলার পয়েন্ট হয়, অর্থাৎ x equal to x naught পয়েন্টে either px or qx or both are infinite, then x equal to x naught is regular singular point or irregular singular point. For this criteria we need to test these, which are at x equal to x naught we need to find x minus x naught time px. This value at x equal to x naught if finite, and also x minus x naught whole square qx, it is also finite at x equal to x naught. Then we called x equal to x naught is a regular singular point. If x minus x naught time px at x equal to x naught finite, but x minus x naught whole square qx is infinite, then we called x equal to x naught as irregular singular point. If x minus x naught into px at x equal to x naught is infinite, we need not to check whether x minus x naught whole square qx is finite or not. We can decide it is an irregular singular point. তো এই থিওরির উপরে বেস করে আমরা এই কোশ্চেনটা সলভ করতে পারি। তো এখন আমরা সলিউশনটা দেখি। যে ডিফারেনশিয়াল ইকুয়েশনটা বলা আছে সেটাকে আমরা আবার লিখছি x ইন্টু এক্স মাইনাস ওয়ান টাইমস d2y dx2 প্লাস cot pi x dy dx প্লাস cosec square pi x times y equal to 0. আমরা যদি এটাকে স্ট্যান্ডার্ড ফর্মে লিখতে চাই, this can be written as d2y dx2 plus cot pi x by x into x minus 1 dy dx plus cosec square pi x by x into x minus 1 times y equal to 0. Therefore, px equal to cot pi x by x into x minus 1 and qx equal to cosec square pi x by x into x minus 1. Clearly, x equal to 0, 1 are singular points. Why? As x into x minus 1 vanishes at x equal to 0, 1, 1, therefore x equal to 0, 1 are singular points. So now we need to check x equal to 0 is regular singular point or irregular singular point. We see that at x equal to 0, x minus 0 times px x equal to 0. This equal to x times cot pi x by x into x minus 1. This equal to cot pi x by x minus 1 at x equal to 0, at x equal to 0, which equal to infinite. Also, x minus 0 whole square times qx equal to x square into qx, that is cos x square pi x by x into x minus 1. X cancel, this equal to x cos x square pi x by x minus 1, which is also infinite at x equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to 0 is irregular singular point. Similarly, we can check that at x equal to 1, x minus 1 times px and x minus 1 whole square qx both are infinite. Therefore, x equal to 1 is also irregular singular point. That is, here option A is the right answer. Both 0 and 1 are irregular singular point. আমরা এখন পিডি সংক্রান্ত একটি প্রবলেম আছে, সেই প্রবলেমটি এখন ডিসকাস করব। The partial differential equation uxx plus 2uxy plus uyy equal to x has only one particular integral, a particular integral which is linear in x and y, a particular integral which is quadratic polynomial in x and y, more than one particular integral. তো আমরা particular integral find করার যে মেথড, one of the method which is using d operator. So pi can be written as 1 by d2 plus 2dd dash plus d dash square x, where d equal to del x, d dash equal to del y. Now d square plus 2dd dash plus d dash square can be written as d plus d dash whole square times x. That can be also written as 1 by d dash square common first bracket 1 plus d by d dash whole square times x. That is equal to 1 by d dash square, and now 1 plus d by d dash whole square can এটাকে উপরে নিয়ে আসা হলো, তার মানে এটা equal to 1 plus d by d dash whole to the power minus 2x. Now we express this as binomial expression which can be written as 1 minus 2 times d by d dash plus and so on, Why? Now all other values at x all are 0. So we get 1 by d dash square times x minus 2y. This can be also written as 1 by d dash kept fixed, and apply 1 by d dash on this expression. We get x is constant, integrate with respect to y, that is x minus y minus 2 times y square by 2, that is only y square. So now again we apply integration with respect to y, we get x y square by 2 times minus y square integration y cube by 3. If I common see here, if I common d, then this pi can be written as 1 by d square times 1 plus 1 by 1 plus d dash by d, which whole square, times x. That can be written as 1 by d square times 1 plus d dash by d whole to the power minus 2 times x. Now again we apply binomial expression, that is we find that 1 minus 2 times d dash by d plus dot dot x. So now we simplify this. What we get? X d dash apply at x equal to 0. Therefore we get this is. Now apply integrate with respect to x first times, we get x square by 2, and again apply x cube by 6. We see that we have two different integrand which are not in linear, not in quadratic in x1. Therefore the right answer is D, more than one particular integral. আমার মনে হয় সবার বিষয়টি ক্লিয়ার হয়েছে। তো আমরা এখন আবার পরের এক্সারসাইজে চলে যাই, দ্যাট ইজ 48। এই ডিফারেনশিয়াল ইকুয়েশনটি একটি ডিসিশন নিতে হবে, যেটাই লিনিয়ার, কোয়াসি লিনিয়ার কি সেমি লিনিয়ার, এটি কোনটি হবে। এখানে কোশ্চেনটি ভালো করে সবাই দেখা যাক আরেকবার। হুইচ অফ দ্য ফলোইং ডিফারেনশিয়াল ইকুয়েশন ইজ এ কোয়াসি লিনিয়ার পার্শিয়াল ডিফারেনশিয়াল ইকুয়েশন। তো কোয়াসি লিনিয়ার পার্শিয়াল ডিফারেনশিয়াল ইকুয়েশন কি ধরনের ইকুয়েশনকে আমরা কোয়াসি লিনিয়ার পার্শিয়াল ডিফারেনশিয়াল ইকুয়েশন বলি, সেটা জানতে গেলে আমরা কোয়াসি লিনিয়ার ডিফারেনশিয়াল ইকুয়েশনের জেনারেল ফর্ম কি সেইটি আগে আমাদেরকে বুঝতে হবে। তো আমরা এখন এই জেনারেল ফর্মটি লেখার চেষ্টা করছি। জেনারেল ফর্ম অফ কোয়াসি লিনিয়ার ইকুয়েশন। Quasi-linear partial differential equation which is linear in P and Q. P and Q, where P is del u del x and Q is del u del y. So general form is A of x y u, that is function of x y u, times del u del x plus B x y u times del u del y equal plus C of x y u equal to 0. This is the general form of Cauchy quasi-linear partial differential equation. সে কারণে আমরা অপশন এটি যদি লক্ষ্য করি, সেখানে কি দেখতে পাচ্ছি, a equal to 2xu, b equal to 2yu and c equal to minus of x square y square u square plus 2xy. তো এটি quasi-linear partial differential equation satisfy করছে জেনারেল ফর্মকে. This is the right answer, this also right answer, this also right answer. But this is not correct. Why? Now here multiply of del u del x into del u del y, which is not a quasi-linear differential equation. তো রাইট অপশন এ বি সি. তো এই কোশ্চেনটাতে আমার মনে হয় একটু প্রবলেম আছে, যেটা কোশ্চেনে হুইচ অফ দ্য ফলোইং ডিফারেন্সিয়াল ইকুয়েশন ইজ না বলে ইজ নট বললে তখন অ্যান্সার ডি হতো. যাই হোক, তো এখন আমরা পরবর্তী প্রশ্নে চলে যাই. পরবর্তী যে প্রবলেমটি আছে সেটি দেখো. এটি জাস্ট ডিফারেন্সিয়াল ইকুয়েশনের সলিউশনের একটি খুব সুন্দর প্রবলেম, খুব ইজি প্রবলেম. প্রবলেমটি হচ্ছে সলিউশন অফ দ্য ডিফারেন্সিয়াল ইকুয়েশন y ডবল ড্যাশ মাইনাস এক্স y ড্যাশ হোল স্কয়ার ইকুয়াল টু 0. ইনিশিয়াল কন্ডিশন y at 0 equal to 0, y dash 0 equal to minus 1 is first option y equal to root 2 times tan inverse x by root 2. Second option y equal to minus root 2 tan inverse x by root 2. And third option y equal to 1 by root 2 tan inverse root 2x. And last option y equal to minus 1 by root 2 tan inverse root 2x. Which one is right? আমরা যদি সলিউশনটা দেখি, খুব ইজিলি দেখতে পারবো. See the solution. Assume y dash equal to dy dx, y dash equal to dy dx equal to p. We assume this y dash equal to p. So putting y dash equal to p in the given differential equation, which is y double dash minus x times y dash whole square equal to 0. Therefore we get p dash minus x times p square equal to 0. This can be written as p dash by p square equal to x. Now we apply integration dp by p square equal to integration x dx plus c. We get the integration value. This is, that is minus 1 by p equal to x square by 2 plus c. Now we using the initial condition, that is y dash 0 equal to minus 1, that is p of 0 equal to minus 1. From this we get minus 1 by minus 1 equal to 0 times 0 plus c, that is c equal to 1. Therefore we putting the value of the constant, integrating constant c equal to 1, we get minus 1 by p equal to x square by 2 plus 1. This implies minus p equal to 2 by x square plus 2, and also it is can be written as dy dx equal to minus 2 by x square plus 2. Now again apply integration, we get y equal to minus 2 by root 2 tan inverse x by root 2 plus some constant d. This is the integration of the form integration of dx by x square plus s square. So we get this is, that is y equal to minus root 2 tan inverse x by root 2 plus d. Now apply the initial condition, y at 0 equal to 0, and we will find the value of d equal to 0. Therefore the answer is y equal to minus root 2 tan inverse x by root 2, which is clearly option B. B is the right answer. Okay, this is very easy question. I hope তোমরা সবাই বুঝতে পেরেছো। তো এখন আমরা পরবর্তী কোশ্চেনে চলে যাই। কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 50। এই কোশ্চেনটা যদি খুব লক্ষ্য করো, এটিও একটি খুব ইজি কোশ্চেন। কনসিডার দ্য ডিফারেন্সিয়াল ইকুয়েশন a dy dx plus by equal to c times e to the power lambda x e to the power minus lambda x, where a, b, c are positive constant and lambda is also non-negative. Every solution of the differential equation approaches to c by b as x tends to infinity when which one? Lambda greater than 0, lambda equal to 0, lambda equal to b by a, lambda equal to a by b. This is a ordinary differential equation first order. This can be written in the form of a first order linear differential equation. So right now a dy dx plus by equal to c into e to the power minus lambda x. This can be written as dy dx plus b by a y equal to c by a e to the power minus lambda x, which is first order linear differential equation, which is first order linear differential equation. সবার নিশ্চয়ই এটি ক্লিয়ার হয়েছে, ফার্স্ট অর্ডার লিনিয়ার ডিফারেন্সিয়াল ইকুয়েশন। Therefore integrating factor if equal to e to the power integration px dx, here px b by a, that is b by a dx, and we get e to the power b by a times x. As usual আমরা যেভাবে ডিফারেন্সিয়াল ইকুয়েশনের সলিউশন করি, thus solution of one is given by y times integrating factor, that is y into e to the power b by x equal to integration of, that is rx, c by a e to the power minus lambda x, which is multiplied by e to the power b by ax, its whole integration, and this plus d. So this is equal to c by a constant বাইরে চলে গেল, তাহলে e to the power b by a minus lambda times x dx plus d. if, এখন আমরা অপশানে চলে আসি। আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি যদি ল্যামডা ইকুয়াল টু 0 হয়, then y into e to the power b by ax equal to c by a e to the power 0, this is 0. For lambda equal to 0, sorry, for lambda equal to 0, this is e to the power b by ax. Therefore its integration e to the power b by ax by b by a, clear, plus d. This implies y equal to c by a cancel, c by b, and this is multiply e to the power minus b by x. This is also cancel, vanishes, that is 1 plus d times e to the power minus b by ax. We see that y tends to c by b as x tends to infinity. Therefore the answer option B, option B, that is lambda equal to 0. ক্লিয়ার? সবাই নিশ্চয়ই বুঝতে পেরেছো? তো এখন আমরা পরের কোশ্চেনে চলে যাই। এটি একটি জেনারেল থিওরি বেস কোশ্চেন, এটা ইজিলি খুব বলা যায়। কোশ্চেনটি কি বলেছে দেখো একবার। লেট y1 y2 dot 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 yn be n linearly independent solution of the linear differential equation of order n, that is p naught x y to the power n plus p1x y to the power n minus 1 plus dot 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 plus pnx times y equal to 0, where p naught x not is equal to 0. Let W be the Wronskian of the solutions y1 y2 dot dot yn, and W naught be the value of W at x equal to x naught. Then which of the following is true? Option A, W equal to W naught times e to the power integration x naught to x p1x by p naught x dx. Option B, W equal to W naught times e to the power integration x naught to x pnx by p naught x dx. Option C, W equal to W naught times e to the power integration e to the power minus of integration x naught to x p1x by p naught x dx. Option D, W equal to W naught e to the power integration minus x naught to x pnx by p naught x dx. Which one is right? This is general theory. We know this answer is C. This C is the right option. আমরা পরবর্তী কোশ্চেনে চলে গেলাম, দ্যাট ইজ 52। কোশ্চেনটি কি বলেছে দেখো সবাই। এ ফাংশন uxt satisfies the wave equation del 2y del t2 equal to del 2u del x2 where x lies between 0 to 1 and t positive. আমরা জানি এটি একটি ওয়েভ ইকুয়েশন, ফার্স্ট অর্ডার ওয়েভ ইকুয়েশন। এই ওয়েভ ইকুয়েশনের সলিউশনের জন্য যে কন্ডিশন বলেছে, ইউ অফ হাফ কমা 0 ইকুয়াল টু 1/4, ইউ অফ 1 comma half equal to 1 and u of 0 comma half equal to half. Then we need to find u of 1/2 comma 1. Which one is the right option? Option A 7/4, option B 5/4, option C 4/5 and option D 4/7. এটি খুব ইজি প্রবলেম। তো এই প্রবলেমটি সলিউশনের জন্য আমরা ডিএলএমবার্ট সলিউশন অফ ওয়েভ ইকুয়েশন, এই মেথডে আমরা সলিউশনটি করব। তোমরা সবাই দেখো, ডিএলএমবার্ট সলিউশন অফ ওয়েভ ইকুয়েশন এইটি কি, এটাকে আগে জানতে হবে। ডি অ্যালমবার্ট সলিউশন অফ ওয়েভ ইকুয়েশন সেটি কি, del 2u del x t2 equal to c square del 2u by del x2। তো এর সলিউশন কি হয়, uxt equal to f of x plus ct plus g of x minus ct। Okay, we see that in the given problem here c equal to 1, in the given problem c equal to 1, therefore solution of the given differential equation given PDE uxt equal to f of x plus t plus g of x minus t। Here we put the value c equal to 1, we get uxt equal to f of x plus t plus g of x minus t। Using these three conditions, we can find u of 1 by 2 comma 1। See this. Using the first condition u of half comma 0, which is 1 by 4, and we get from the expression that is f of 1 by 2 plus g of 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 4। We say this equation as number 1, and it is also given u at 1 comma half, that is equal to f of 3 by 2 plus g of 1 by 2, which value is 1, that is we say this question option 2, equation 2, u at 0 comma half, that is equal to f of 1 by 2 plus g of minus 1 by 2, which value is 1 by 2, that is given. We call this equation as 3. So we need to find u at half comma 1, which is equal to f of 3 by 2 plus g of minus 1 by 2. What is the value of this? Now question 1, equation 1 minus equation 3, we get f of 1 by 2 cancel, therefore we get g of 1 by 2 minus g of minus 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2, that is minus 1 by 4. This is treated as equation 4. Now 4 minus 2, we get minus f of 3 by 2 minus g of minus half equal to minus half minus 1, that is equal to minus 5 by 4. Minus cancel both sides, that is we get f of 3 by 2 minus g of plus g of minus 1 by 2 equal to 5 by 4. This is the value of u at 1 by 2 comma 1, that is equal to 5/4. This is the answer. Therefore, the right option is B, 5/4. তো এখন আমরা আবার পরবর্তী কোশ্চেনে চলে যাচ্ছি। কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 56। এটি একটি ল্যাপ্লাস ট্রান্সফরমেশন সংক্রান্ত একটি প্রবলেম, খুব ইজি প্রবলেম। দেখো, let ft for t greater than equal to 0 be a continuous function and is of exponential order in t. Let fs be the Laplace transformation of ft and fs satisfies s square f double dash s minus 6 fs equal to 0. If f of 2 equal to 8, then f of t is equal to 40, 2t, t plus 1 and 2t plus 4. First, we note that here it is told that f of t be continuous function and is of exponential order, which is needed for existence of Laplace transformation of ft. Clear? We find the solution by using this option. Here first option is a equal to 40, b equal to 2t, c equal to 2 plus 1, 2t plus 4. As f of 2 equal to 8, therefore ft not is equal to 2t. Why? 2 into 2 equal to 4, which is not 8. Therefore ft not is equal to 2t and also t plus 1. Therefore ft equal to either 40 or 2t plus 4. If ft equal to 40, then Laplace transformation of ft, that is Laplace transformation of 40 equal to, we get 4 by s square. Why? Now, as Laplace transformation of t to the power n equal to n factorial by s to the power n plus 1, where n equal to 0, 1, 2, dot, dot, dot. That is f of s equal to, what is fs? Now fs is the Laplace transformation of ft. Therefore f of s equal to 4 by s square. See here, s square times f double dash s minus 6 fs. So we need to find f double dash s. Now f dash equal to 4 times minus 2 by s cube, that is minus 8 by s cube, and also f double dash equal to minus 8 times minus 3 by s to the power 4, that is 24 by s to the power 4. Now s square f double dash s minus 6 fs equal to s square times f double dash is equal to 24 by s to the power 4, that is f double dash s is 24 by s to the power 4 minus 6 times fs equal to 4 by s square. We see that this cancel and we get 0 and ft equal to 40 satisfied, f2 equal to 8 and also s square f double dash s minus 6 fs equal to 0. Therefore the right option is A. It is an exercise we can see so that if ft equal to 2t plus 4 then ft not satisfy this relation. Therefore the right answer is A. Okay, now we go to the next question. Question 58. এটি একটি নিউমেরিক্যাল অ্যানালাইসিসের প্রবলেম। সবাই দেখো, given that x values are 1 2 3 4 and 5 and y values at this point are 2 5 10 20 and 30. আমরা জানি delta nabla e, this denote the forward difference, backward difference and shift operator. E shift operator, nabla backward difference and delta forward difference. So which of the following is correct? Delta equal to nabla times e to the power minus 1, delta equal to e plus I, delta 2 u4 equal to u4 plus 2 u3 minus u2 and nabla 2 u4 equal to this is nabla 2 u4 equal to 5. Which one is the correct option? It is very easy question. We know the relation. Solution. We know the relation E equal to I plus delta and E inverse equal to I minus nabla and E times delta nabla equal to E times nabla times E equal to delta. Therefore option A and option B are not true. Option A and option B are not true. Not true. Okay. For option C, by definition of backward difference operator, that is nabla of fx equal to f of x minus f of x minus h. Therefore nabla of y4 equal to y4 minus y3. Again apply nabla, that is nabla 2y4 equal to nabla of u4 minus u3. Which one? Nabla of u4 minus nabla of u3. Which again can be written as nabla of u4 equal to u4 minus u3 and nabla of u3 equal to u3 minus u2. Therefore we get u4 minus 2 times u3 plus u2. Therefore option C is not true. That is nabla 2 u4 equal to this. You get this is the result, which is not C. We call it 1. Therefore C is not true. C is not true. Now for the option D, from 1 and from the chart u1 equal to 2, u2 equal to 5, u3 equal to 10, u4 equal to 20, and u5 equal to 30. From the chart, nabla 2 u4 equal to u4, that is 20 minus 2 times u3 equal to 10 plus 5, and we get 5. Therefore D is the right answer. Okay. Now we move to the another question, which is the last question, question number 59. এটিও একটি নিউমেরিক্যাল ইন্টিগ্রেশন সংক্রান্ত একটি প্রবলেম। ট্রাপিজয়েডাল রুল অ্যাপ্লাই করে অঙ্কটি করতে হবে। কোশ্চেনটা পড়া যাক। I is an approximate value of the integration minus 2 to 2 mod x plus 1 minus mod of x minus 1 whole mod dx obtained through trapezoidal rule with 5 points. Then which one of the following is correct? Option A, delta equal to 0. Option B, delta equal to 6. Option C, I not is equal to delta by 0.9. Option D, I equal to 5. এটিও খুব একটি সুন্দর প্রবলেম। তো এখন আমরা সলিউশনটা করা যাক। Let fx equal to this integrand, that is mod of x plus 1 and mod minus mod x minus 1 whole mod. So now taking the 5 points in the interval minus 2 to 2, taking 5 points, x naught equal to minus 2, x1 equal to minus 1, x2 equal to 0, x3 equal to 1, and x4 equal to 2. So clearly h equal to 1. Now f of x naught, that is f of minus 2 equal to, from this we get mod of mod minus 2 plus 1 minus mod minus 2 minus 1 mod whole mod, that is equal to mod of 1 minus 3 whole mod, that is 2. Similarly, f of x1 equal to f of minus 1, and we can find this value is also 2. F of x2, that is f of 0, which is 0. From this we can find f of 0 equal to 0, and f of x3 equal to f of 1, which is also 2, and f of x4, that is f of 2 equal to 2. Now using deleted, okay.